if you've got an old UH061 or 45 or one of those family, you've got a couple of hydraulic like caps on top of the hydraulic tank. This is the suction filter, and mine gets blocked up quite regularly, and then you hear the hydraulic pumps start to cavitate every time you do anything, every time you work it, and it goes really slow. So you need to get this out. So this is basically slides down over a shaft, and it's held in place by these two chunky O-rings. So you don't need to do any tool work. You just need to get your hand underneath it, like this bottom edge, and just wriggle it while you're pulling up, and it'll come up off the shaft. And then it's a bit of a work job getting it past the second bump, but that's how you get it off. And then give it a good clean up. I used boiling water and detergent. It's just a fine mesh, and then a not so fine mesh. So get that all clear so it can suck freely. And then you just find a clean place for that. Then you take these 6 bolts out of the top of this cover after you've obviously released the pressure. If you've been running it hot and it's got pressure, release the pressure first, of course. Take this plate off. It's got an O-ring in the top. Check that. You'll see if it's leaking or not when you're running the digger. And then inside here, I'm just going to push this thing down. Obviously I should have had the oil out of it. I've already just done an oil change on it, so I'm going to put that back in, putting it in the middle. So you don't need any tools for this job. You'll be up to about your elbow in oil if it's full. And then you can, once you've got it sitting down, I haven't quite got it down far enough, try not to drop any tools in. I'm just going to find the edge of it with this tapometer and just gently tap it around. It's got to sit down over the 2 O-rings quite firmly. Obviously don't want to put too many dents in it. Check that. Do the swimming hand technique. Yep, I've got something sticking out the top like I had before. Not quite as much as I had, so I need to go a little bit further. Normally you do is have the oil out first. Better way to do it so you don't get any muck down into it doesn't go down into the pumps. But this is, I've just done an oil change, and yeah, I don't really want to have to do it again. Well, not an oil change, an oil. I've just tipped out my old oil and put some new second-hand stuff, nice clean stuff, and of course it's gone all cloudy immediately, mixing with what was left of my stuff. But anyway, that's how I got this filter off anyway. It was a bit of a mystery to me. There was nothing on the internet about how to do it that I could find. Hopefully that helps you.